Hello everyone, today we are looking at the 2017 Hess toy truck. It's a dumpster. Not a dumpster, a dump truck. Oopsies. Now let's get it open. And here we are. It does have a pretty long, front nose part and stuff. Now let's open it up like that. And then we can bring it down. And we have this little guy. It's an excavator, and you pull it up like this. Here's where the switches are on it, but they're not working right now because of lack of batteries. But here's the main truck. It has a pretty big bed inside of it. And here's the back part. And let's put it into the light. Nope, it doesn't work. The lights don't work. So yeah, this is the 2017 Hess truck. Later, guys. Bye-bye.